met Odette through a workshop that we partnered with Kasha. These women have the hard skills, but they don't have the know-how to start applying these skills. So we work with them and with our community members where they talk about savings or eating healthy so that they can have fun, but also make changes in the communities that they live in.
Before the Resonate training, I had a very difficult life. My children's father was abusive, and I couldn't afford to send one of our children to school. When our second child became malnourished, my husband left us. It was hard.
At Resonate, we deliver leadership training to women and girls so they have the confidence to create the changes they want to see in their lives and in their communities.
So after that workshop, she started a business on her own of making soap.
Now I am happy that I have the confidence to take care of my family. I'm gaining clients. I'm able to pay the rent on time, and my children can all go to school, have clothes, and eat every day.
So we use storytelling as our methodology in the trainings that we deliver. And through this workshop and this storytelling journey, they start realizing how resilient they are and how much they've actually already accomplished in life and how much more they can do, even believe that they can do it.
The most unforgettable moment during the Resonate training was the hummingbird story.
And it's a story of the forest catching fire and all the animals running away. And this little hummingbird is flying to the nearest river, picking up a drop of water and dropping the little drop of water onto the fire. And the animals asking her, "Hummingbird, but what are you doing?" And her saying, "I'm doing the best that I can." And that is a way we ground our definition of leadership at Resonate, which is being proactive in the face of a challenge and doing the best you can. It's believing that you are the agent in your life and you make the changes you want to see in your own life, which in turn affects your children's lives and your husband's life and your community for the better. It's seeing this sense of, look at what I can do now and I'm doing it on my own. And that makes us proud.